It started snowing about 3 minutes ago. It snowed almost an inch. Wow. Oh, I was going to be working outside, but I guess I won't be doing that right now. Look at the trees are already getting frosty. Wow. Didn't know this was coming, so it may not last very long, but isn't that pretty? And I have a little girl watching with me. Hey you, where are you? There you are. Yeah, are you watching the snow with me? You've never seen snow in your life, have you? Wow, okay. Wow, winter has arrived, and it's a lot heavier in real life than it is in this picture. Pretty cool. Oh, I love it when it snows.